Hello, it's Miss Morgan with a quick description of some different aspects of the Scientific Revolution project that I explained yesterday. So first of all, I really hope you have the packet of papers that we paper clipped together in class yesterday. If you were absent yesterday and you're here today, then you should come see me to get some of your papers. Anyway, so you have the directions here. General project details are listed up here. I didn't specifically talk a ton about the visuals, but what you really need to know is right in here about the visuals. Okay, you want to make sure that they reflect effort and help explain the topic. If someone knew nothing about the scientific revolution, which I'm sure many people who that aren't in eighth grade don't, then how would your visuals help make the topic easier to understand and help explain it? That's what you kind of want to think about. And it talks about seeing the rubric, which I'll talk about in a minute. So when you start your work today, if you end up starting on some pictures, then if you need some ideas on what to draw, you could always kindly ask your FBLOT teacher if you could look something up on your phone, an image or something if you need to. All right, so that's if you end up doing work on that in class today. If you want to use computer pictures, obviously that's something you're probably going to be doing at home because you'll need to print them out. Anyway, so I suggest that before you get going on anything significant, that you look at these focus questions and you look at your papers and you find the spots on your papers that will help answer the questions. So this will help you if you've done all the sheets that were assigned, then you should have a lot of facts to pick from. And I personally think it will be easiest if you go find the information and then start writing it up and brainstorming and thinking of the picture ideas and whatnot. So you could always color code it too. If you see in the video, I color coded the questions. Obviously, you may use different colors, but it might be easy to put like a blue star near the facts that help answer number one, a red star for the facts that help answer number two, etc. So that's just a suggestion. I think it will be easier if you find the facts first because you have at least two papers that you will be looking at, if not more of the papers in your packet. So if you need materials like a big piece of paper or white unlined paper, or if you're doing the comic strip and you're doing, you want some templates for that, then there will be materials in the eighth grade hall for you to pick from. And if you need something that you don't see there, then you could come to my room and I can hopefully help you out. So I will say that I didn't talk about the rubric yesterday. It's right here, and I also put it on Google Classroom, so you have access to it right here. So Google Scientific Revolution Project rubric, click, it's coming up, and this is added to all the classes' Google Classroom pages. All right, well, there it is. Anyway, writing worth 40 points, visuals are worth 20 points. So this does not want to move, but if you were to move down, up there, are you moving? Oh, slowly. Anyway, well, if you want to check it out, there we go, visuals. Visual part. Now it's going crazy on me. All right, forget it. I'm giving up. All right, writing, visuals. All right, so you want to think about being clear, well-detailed, accurate, thorough, and same with the pictures. I already talked about effort and helping to explain the facts that you're including. That's all I can think of to say. I might have forgot something, but if you have a question, then you know where to find me. The other thing is that if you start to create your product and you need to Google image search infographic, because you're going to do that, or kids restaurant placemats, you could do that just to get ideas. They don't have to be as fancy as some of these and as intense and have word searches and mazes, and I would just focus on visuals and information and maybe some fun facts, or you could do some questions and answers. Just make sure you have good details with whatever you decide to do. Okay, that's all I have to say. Bye. Oh, no, one more thing. Eat your fruits and vegetables.